Namaste everyone. Settle down on your mat. Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Properly sit on your sitting bone. Pull your hips out from both the sides and just sit properly on the sitting bones. Just close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we'll chant one time Om and we will start our today's class. Take a deep inhale and while exhalation, chant Om. Now join your both palms together in front of your heart. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face. Apply on eyes. Apply on your whole body. Slowly put on your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. Relax. Find yourself in the tabletop position. Open your knees. Open your knees. Hip distance apart. You can tuck your toes and also you can keep your toes flat as well, whatever you feel comfortable. Put your both palms under your both shoulders. Nice. Inhale, look up, make a curve on your spine. And while exhalation, make a hump on your back. Lock your chin on your chest. Push your shoulder blades away from each other like a cat. You have to push. Inhale again. Look up. Open your shoulders, roll your shoulders back, open your heart. Exhale again. Make a hump on your back. Lock your chin on your chest. Inhale again, look up. And exhale, look down. One more last time. Inhale again, look up. Make a curve on your spine as much as you can make. And exhale again, look down. Make a hump on your back. Now neutralize your spine. Just make a wave through your spine slowly. While inhalation, make a curve, lean front. And while exhalation, come back. Inhale again, make a hump, lean, exhale, head up, and come back. Inhale again, lock your chin on your chest, lean, and exhale, come back. Okay. Now again, relax. Come in front. Now just move your spine like a snake. If your shoulders will go left side, your hip will go right side. Okay, and when your shoulders will go right side, you will lean right side, then your hip will go left side. Just move like a snake, move your spine. So tuck your toes now, lift your hips up. Come for the downward facing dog. Open your legs, hip distance apart, roll your shoulders out. Look at your navel point. And just walk front and come in front of the mat for Samastiti. Now we will do sun salutation. Okay. Sun salutation. A first. A, come inhale. Raise your both arms up over your head. Forward Urdhva Vrikshasana. Look at your thumbs. Your drishti should be on your thumbs. Angushti Madhya Drishti. Do exhale. Go fully forward down. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and your head on your shin bone. Trini, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Set, exhale, Adho Mukha into downward facing dog. Look at your navel point and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale all the way, come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, again, Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. To exhale, go fully forward down. Tredi, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine, open your chest, roll your shoulders. Keep pressing your lumbar down, open it. 4, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold for 5 counts there. 2, ujjayi breathing. Take a deep inhale and exhale. 1. Inhale and exhale. 2. Use ujjayi breathing right now. Throat breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam, inhale, raise your arms up. Do exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold into downward facing dog. 1. Deep inhale and deep exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round again, Ekam, inhale. Doe, exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again, hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Into halfway, look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Fifth and exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, again, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we will do sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up over your head for the Utkatasana chair pose. Do not cross your knees from your toes. Just keep in mind that you have to sit back, not lean front with your knees. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, lift your right leg up, bring your right leg front for warrior A and hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Asto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, lift your left leg up and bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Again, hold one, front leg 90, back feet slightly 5 degrees in, and raise your both arms up. Keep pushing your pelvis down. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dwadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round again, Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your arms up. Doi, exhale. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A again. Hold 1, 2, warrior A. Keep your hips square. 3, 4, and 5. Asto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A, Veerbhadrasana. 5, hold, keep pushing your pelvis down, bend your front leg at 90. 4, don't bend your left knee, right knee, sorry. The leg which is your back, don't bend your that leg. 4 and 5. Twadasa, exhale, jump back. Triyodasa, inhale. Chaturdasa, exhale. Again, hold. Look at your navel point and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Utkatasana and exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam, inhale, bend your knees, raise your arms up. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your left leg. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Look at your navel point and hold. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again bend your knees. Do exhale. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Right leg, right leg. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, again go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Now lift your left leg up, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your left leg now. Again, hold, keep pushing your pelvis down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, roll your shoulder, open your chest. Chaturdasa, exhale. And again, hold. Look at your navel point. Keep pressing your heels on the floor and tailbone high in the air. Now bend your both knees. Panchadasa, jump front into halfway, look up. Sodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale again. Bend your knees, raise your arms up. Do exhale. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior C. Maintain your balance on your right leg. Lift your left leg and your upper body should be in one line. And hold there for 5 counts. 1, you can use your fingertips for the support. 2, but lift your left leg up. 3, 4, 5. Press your palm, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior C. Maintain your balance on your left leg now. Very nice. Again, right leg up and your upper body in one line. You can use your hand support or your finger support on the floor. 3, 4, and 5. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale. Chaturdasa, exhale. And hold. Take Ujjayi breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Utkatasana, exhale, Samastiti. Now do Kati Chakrasana, twist yourself. Okay, now we will continue our postures. Okay, Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up for Urdhva Ikshasana. Do exhale, go forward down. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Now bend your both knees and jump for Marityasana A. First jump into Dandasana. Like yesterday we have done. Sit down in Dandasana. Now bend your right leg for Marityasana A. Like this. Keep one palm distance between your feet and your left thigh. Keep one palm distance. Inhale, lift your both arms up. Exhale, try to stretch yourself front. And with your right hand, grab your right leg. And with your left hand, grab your left wrist behind your back with your right hand. And exhale, go forward. Try to touch your head on your sing bone if you can. And hold. 1. Keep stretching yourself. 2. It's okay if you cannot grab your leg, just open your hands like this. Take your hands back as much as you can and go forward. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. You have to keep your leg like this while lifting up. And inhale, lift your leg up. And then exhale, go back and jump into Chaturanga. It's okay if you cannot lift, you can just simply go. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both legs and jump into Marityasana A from your left leg. Now straight your right leg, bend your left leg. Again, keep one palm distance from your feet and your right thigh. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, go forward towards your right leg. Bend your left leg, grab your left leg with your left hand. And grab your right wrist behind your back. Again, inhale, look up, and exhale, try to go fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, inhale, come up, exhale, put your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up from the floor, and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Try, and then go jump back. Inhale, Urdhmukha, and exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Now bend your both knees, again jump for Marichasana B. Now we will jump for Marichasana B. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh and bend your right knee like this. You need a very good flexibility in your ankle right now. So if you feel pain, just you can also put your leg here. But if you can do it, you can put your leg in the edge of your femur bone. And just your feet, down feet should be up, okay, facing upward. Yes, I'm showing. Okay. Now you bend your left leg in half lotus pose like this. Okay. If it is hard for you to bend and sit like this, if it is hard for you, you can just try keeping your leg here and then. Okay, inhale, again raise your both arms up, exhale, go forward. Grab your left wrist again behind your back and hold for 5 counts. 1. सलोनी जी करिए. हाँ, ऐसे बैठिए. 2, nice. 3, very good everybody. 4, just try, keep pushing. Try to just bend your ankle as much as you can because it needs mobility in your ankle. 4 and 5. Again, inhale, come up, exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up and then take your legs back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both knees and jump for the Marichasana B from your left leg, okay? Now bend your right leg over your left thigh. Bend your right leg over your left thigh. And then bend your left knee. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bend forward and grab your right wrist behind your back. Inhale, look up and exhale. Try to touch your head on the floor or on the knee, wherever you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhales, head up, exhale, release your hand, place your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, again go back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now we'll do Marichasana C. Again, bend your both knees, jump for Marichasana C. Now bend your right knee like this. Okay, do not touch your heel like this on your butts. Okay, keep a distance. You have to keep distance between your thigh and your leg. Okay, and also between your feet and your thigh. So now bend your right leg like this. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, twist your left hand and twist your spine. Twist yourself and grab your right wrist like this. And look back. Look back. If you cannot grab, you can just push your elbow and twist your spine. Hold 1. But if you can grab, just try to grab. 2.
Can you do that once again?
Yes. Left arm up. Put your left armpit on your right thigh or your right knee. And just push Look back, twist yourself as much as you can twist. If you can grab like this. 3, hold there. 4 and 5. Again, inhale, look front, exhale, press your palms on the floor, inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha, exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Everybody just come for the downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both knees and jump for Marichasana C from your left leg now. Now bend your left leg, keep your right knee straight. Again, row, don't touch your heel on your thighs. Just keep distance between your heel and thigh, little bit, yes. Okay, inhale, lift your right hand up. Exhale, place your right armpit on your left knee and just push your leg with your elbow and twist your spine from your thoracic as much as you can. Again, hold 1, 4 and 5. Exhale, look front. Put your both palms on the blocks. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and again jump for Marichasana D. Now we'll do Marichasana D. Again, bend your left leg over your right thigh. It is difficult, so if anybody cannot do it, just do the C1, okay? Bend your left leg over your right thigh like this. Now bend your right knee. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, twist yourself, and then grab. Now in this is a little bit tough, so if you cannot do it, just do the third one. You can also use an elbow only, don't grab and just push. Hold 1. 2, keep your leg active. 3, bend your elbow and push your elbow like this. Open your chest. 4 and 5. Inhale, look front. Exhale, keep your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and jump front. Now we'll do Marichasana D with our left leg. Come for the position for Marichasana D. Now bend your right leg over your left thigh. Bend your left knee now. Inhale, lift your right arm up, and exhale, twist yourself to the left side. And now place your right elbow on your left knee, and then again twist. Hold 1. And if you can grab your wrist. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, inhale, look front. Exhale, palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Dandasana. Okay, so now you have to make Padmasana. Next pose is Garbha Pindasana. It is difficult. You have to sit in Padmasana like this. And you have to put your hands from here, okay? Between your both legs like this. For this, you need a perfect Padmasana, loosest Padmasana. So whoever ever tried Padmasana, just try to sit in Padmasana only. If someone has a good flexible Padmasana, they can put their hand like this from here. It's difficult, so try. And the another hand will go in this position, push, okay? So just lose your Padmasana for now, just sit in Padmasana, okay? So try, anybody can put their hand inside the leg. Okay, Marley is doing. Okay, very nice. Now bend your both hands towards your head like this. Push yourself more, hands more. Very nice. So this is Garpindasana. If you want to see, you can look at Marley. She's doing very nice. Row, your one hand is crossed. You have to push your another hand also. Okay, the next pose is directly, you have to keep the palms on the floor and lift yourself up for the Kutkutasana. You have to lift your hips up now. In Padmasana only, just press your palms from inside and then lift yourself up. If you cannot take your hands from inside, you can just lift like this. Lift yourself. Oh, very nice. Okay, now open your legs, open your hands, press your palms and again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhmukha and exhale downward facing dog Adho Mukha. Now we'll do the next pose, Upavishta Konasana. Bend your knees, jump, open your legs. You have to jump for Upavishta Konasana. Now it's a little bit different. You have to jump out of your both palms, okay? Jump. You have to jump, open your legs. Your left leg will go left side and your right leg will go right side. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, grab your both big toes. And just flat down front. Try to touch your belly on the mat, chest on the mat, and chin on the mat. Hold one. This is Upavishta Konasana. Remember the names. Two, but try to not touch your head first. If you will touch your head, if I will try to touch my head first, then you can look that I am making a hump on my back. So I will always try to touch my belly first. So for that, I open my chest as much as I can move forward with my hip joints. Okay, I am moving forward with my hip joints. Then I will go first for the belly, then chest, and then of my chin. So I can become flat. Always try to first touch your belly. Never touch your head first on the floor. Okay. See, in Bhunamanasana, we straight our hands front, and this is Ashtanga. After when we do Ashtanga, the name changes. Okay, Hatha, in Hatha, there is different, like in Hatha, we do Chakrasana, okay, wheel pose like this. In Ashtanga also we do same, but in Ashtanga we tell Urdhva Dhanurasana, we will not say Chakrasana, okay. So it's same, just it's now in this Ashtanga we grab the toes and lay down front, and in Hatha we just slide our arms front. So that is Bhunaman, and this is Upavishta Konasana. Now we'll do Upavishta Konasana B. Okay. Now bend your knees, lift your legs up, and just straight your legs.
You went on mute.
Hold one. Your elbows will be straight. Do not bend your elbows. Open your legs, elbows straight. Two. Open your legs wide open. Three, four, and 5. Now from there, we'll just roll down back for the Supta Upavishta Konasana like this. Now touch your toes on the floor. Lay down on the back, take your legs back and try to touch your toes on the floor while opening your legs. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now roll front and come for Upavishta Konasana B. Keep your elbow straight, legs straight, spine straight. Exhale, go for the Upavishta Konasana A. Go for the Upavishta Konasana A. Now inhale, come up. Now we will jump back. So try to press your palms, shift your weight front on your shoulders, lift yourself, and then exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Try everybody, shift your weight on your shoulders, lift your hips up. If you cannot do it, it's okay. You can try just simply going back. But give a chance. See what is happening in this. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and jump for butterfly, Baddha Konasana. In butterfly, you have to jump, sit down. In butterfly and Baddha Konasana is different, but in butterfly, we shake our legs. In Baddha Konasana, we just rotate our heels upward. Okay, you have to look at your down feet. Rotate your feet upside like this. Your lower feet will be facing towards the ceiling. And just try. And do not shake your legs. In this, you have to press your knees by your cell phone. Inhale, lift your chest up. And exhale, go forward. Try to touch your belly on your lower feet. And your chest on your mat and your chin on your floor. And hold. 1, 2. Do not curve your spine. Go less, but take your spine. Correct your spine posture. 2. Always go forward with your hip joints. Never go with your spine like this. 3, 4. Keep pulling your lower feet upside. And 5. Again, inhale, come up. Don't release your leg. Just inhale, come up. And exhale, try to touch your toes on your forehead. Touch your toes on your forehead now. For Baddha Konasana B. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Again, press your palms and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Just bend your both knees, relax into child pose for a few seconds. Calm down your breath. Okay, now again, come for the downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and jump into Supta Padangushtasana. Okay, now lay down on your back, on your mat, jump and then lay down on your back. Now bend your right knee. I am bending my left knee to show you, but bend your right knee first, okay? Grab your big toe and inhale, straight your leg up. And try to touch your forehead on your sing bone. And hold 1, 2, keep your knee straight, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your right leg, right side, look left side. Take your right leg, right side, look left side. Try to touch your leg on the floor. Don't lift your leg up from the floor. Again, hold 1. This is Supta Padangushtasana B. 3, 4, 5. Take your right leg front. And again, inhale and exhale. Try to touch your head. And then release your leg, release your hand, and change your leg. Now bend your left knee, grab your left big toe from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, take a deep inhale and exhale. Try to bend your leg towards your head and hold. 1, 2, keep both legs activate. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, take your left leg left side. And with exhale, stretch your leg towards your head more. 1, hold your leg. 2, if anyone cannot grab their like big toe or their knees is bending, you can use rope or something, belt. 4 and 5. Again, inhale, bring your left leg front and exhale. Again, try to touch your head on your leg and release. Now from this position, you have to go to the chaturanga. So for that, they have made chakra vinyasa. Who have done the chakra vinyasa before? Anyone has done? The rolling one. Now you have to roll back and come for the chaturanga dandasana. It's basically a little bit different and difficult as well. Okay, so everyone has to look here. So from this position, how you will go to chaturanga. Okay, for learning, you have to just sit in dandasana and roll. See if anyone cannot do it or anyone have the neck problem, please avoid it. Okay, and if someone is practicing long, like Ashtanga, they are doing Ashtanga from a long time, they can do it. Okay, and do not do if you have a problem in your neck, any type of problem. So you have to roll yourself in like this and come for the chaturanga. Okay. So this is difficult. If you can do it, just try. If you cannot do it, if you are not confident about it, so just don't try. So whoever is trying, just do it simple and proper. Do not move your head left to right, right to left. Keep your head straight and then try. Very nice. Try it slow. Very good, Saloni ji. Very good, Marley. Nice. Hardeep ji, nice try. Roll and come into the chaturanga directly. Okay, Ro, nice try. Inhale Urdhmukha and exhale Adhomukha. Now bend your both knees and again jump for Ubhaya Padangushta Asana. Okay. Now you will bend your both knee, grab your both big toe and just look front. Keep your spine straight, balance on your hips, open your chest, roll your shoulders and look towards the ceiling. Keep your legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again press your palms, lift yourself up from there and then jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog, exhale downward facing dog. Again bend your both knees and jump front for Urdhva Mukha Paschimottanasana. Again balance on your hips. Now you have to grab your legs like this. Keep good support with your hands. Hold. 1. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and shin bone on your chin on your shin bone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, balance, balance, 9, 10. From there, just roll back, roll back. For Urdhva Mukha Paschim Uttanasana B. Try everybody. Now slowly roll yourself. Again, come back into Urdhva Mukha Paschim Uttanasana A. And then press your palms and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Roll back front. Yeah, roll back front. And then exhale, press your palms. Inhale, lift yourself. And then jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and relax into child pose for a few breaths. Let your breath normalize. Normalize your heartbeat. Now sit down in any comfortable pose. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now join your both palms together in front of your heart. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by three Shanti. Take a deep breath in. While exhalation, chant Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now slowly bow down your head towards God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Gently open your eyes. Namaste to everyone. Okay, if you want to ask any question, you can ask.
I want to ask. Actually, from back few days, I'm having shoulder pain. So I should avoid doing the asanas right now, or what?
On your both shoulders or just
No,
on
only
one
on
shoulder?
right.
Right shoulder. So just take rest for a few days because after doing a lot exercise, it pains. We feel
Because
pain.
earlier I we had last month, so we had
Mm,
assignments and everything. So I had a break like
yeah,
after that time 4 5 days. But then
yeah.
again I started, and again it's like same thing is happening.
Because see, if now what is happening that your strength, you are doing something, and Ashtanga is basically increase the strength inside you. So that's why you are feeling this pain. But if you feel like it is increasing, so sorry, someone came to the house and will just wait. Okay. It will upload soon. It, it will upload soon. Yes. So I am telling you that in like some days, if you feel like more pain in your shoulder, then just stop for a few days and just put some like oil or something or pain relief and just relax the muscles there, and then after you will recover, it will go. Because basically shoulder pains comes even when do practice, when we do practice, shoulder pain comes actually. So
Okay.
it's not a
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so this video will be uploaded, I think so, till evening today. So you can go and watch there. Okay, anybody else who wants to ask?
I just had a quick question about the Padmasana and putting the hands through.
Mhm.
One of my hands is not coming out fully.
Yeah.
Yes.
So one more technique we can do. We can use some like oil or something like any lotion, and use some shorts. Wear some shorts. Put your like lotion on your hands, and then you can try. So it will slip. So when you will try this, it will help creating the gap between your legs, and it will break your muscles of your like hands, and it will from next time it will be better.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi. Able to hear me?
Who?
Pooja.
Okay, हाँ yes, पूजा जी बोलिए.
So like I just want to know the sequence to practice in like during morning. What goes first? Sun salutation A, B, and then whatever asanas we are doing.
Yeah, it is also good. You can do sun salutation. You can also do joint movements first before sun
Okay.
salutation. You can do joint movements, tabletop variation. After that, you can go for sun salutation. So this is also a good thing to do joint movements first.
Okay. And then these asanas,
After the sun,
Padangusthasana.
after the sun salutation, you can carry on these poses.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
So how many times to do like in general? Ideal
How
to
many
like
times?
twice a day or only once a day?
What
Practicing.
Ashtanga? Practicing, it's
Ashtanga.
okay. If you have time, you can do. You can try it 2 times. And yes, if you didn't have time, you can try one time in morning or evening. Both is good.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
After that, pranayam.
Yeah. After that,
Afterwards.
pranayam.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
one last question. Like, as we did twisting of the spine today, so basically, what is happening? I'm not able to twist like my hand outside. So I don't know. Yeah,
Mm. It's
it should come with
the
practice only.
it, it's
No, it
it's
is
not.
happening for me also. Like I am not able to twist, maybe due to practice.
Yes, it's not only about like your hands, but from this upper part, your thoracic part, you have to twist more yourself. You have to twist more, and for the rotation of the hands, you can use some like belt or something and rotate your shoulders. Because when you rotate your shoulders more, then it will become easy to rotate your shoulders outwards and inwards. Okay.
Using a belt.
You can use grab the belt and just rotate your hands like this,
Okay.
or your strings or something, some stretchable thing you can also use that. But
Strap.
main focus is also about this asana is also about twisting of spine. So just try to twist your spine. I will show you this pose you can do for twisting. Raise your left arm up. You can put your left shoulder down. Just twist.
Okay.
This you can try. There are various poses for twisting you can try. And this Marichasana also will help you to twist. Even in Marichasana, not only twisting and shoulders, but your legs, your ankles, everything works.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Anybody else? Okay, then namaste everyone. Take care of yourself. See you soon tomorrow.
Thank you.
Welcome.